Did Lego mess up and send me the wrong piece? Or did I mess up when I was building? Stay tuned to find out. Hello friend, welcome. My name is Donna, also known as Charming Jellyfish. We have Lego BrickHeadz, the little poodles. It has 304 pieces and it costs about 15 bucks US. So my friend, this is my first BrickHeadz build, and there were some issues. I'll just say that right now. So I am a noob, but like I said, this is my first BrickHeadz build. But the first thing I noticed that really will drive me insane is the fact that these bags are not numbered, friend. Woo. For me, that is, I don't like to dump and find. We are not on a search and find mission. I don't like doing that. But you know what? We have this handy dandy organizer thanks to the Advent calendar. If you haven't seen any of those videos, check out the links. I'll link it below. We're gonna get started. I had to organize all those pieces just so I would not go insane. And we are building the first little bits. And you know, this is so far so good, you know. Sometimes I follow directions, sometimes I don't. It just kind of adds to the fun sometimes. And you will see, friend, if you're new here, hey, welcome, if you're new here. Thanks for joining, I appreciate you. But you will see that I tend to drop pieces. I drop them a lot, and I don't follow directions. They're more like guidelines for me, and that applies to Lego builds and in real life as well. But I feel like it always just adds to the fun. Like, it's fun, it's fine, this is fine. So we have part of the big poodle almost done. Right now, let's go ahead and put on that little tail. But yeah, we'll have to flip it right side up. It's such a cute little tail. I just love these little poodles. Yeah, boom. See, dropping pieces, knocking them off. You know, that's fine. We keep building. We just keep on building. And I love that cute little gold heart as the dog's collar. There we go. And like the little name tag, I guess it would go there, like all the dog's information. So we'll go ahead and add these pieces, which kind of represent like the poodle's curls, which I think, to me, this is my first BrickHeadz build. I love that little detail, like where you have some that are just stud and some that are kind of rounded. It's just so cute. I mean, it looks like a poodle to me. And then we have its little face. I love the little anime eyes with the little glint, a little sparkle in the eyeballs. That just brings me so much joy. And if you like anime, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And sometimes with these builds, friend, I get bored. I do things like this, where you just have the dog hopping around, because I get bored. I get distracted very easily too. So it's how I keep myself going. Oh, friend, the leg came off. Oh no, the leg came off. Ooh. Yikes. Okay. Sorry, puppers. All right. Moving right along. We'll go ahead and add some more curls on top of the poodle's head. It doesn't specify if it's a boy or a girl or otherwise, but you know, it's a cute little poodle. I think I will name the poodle Chelsea. Just because I like Chelsea. Why not? Chelsea seems like a regal name. So, yep. Add some more curl. Oh, wait, no. Friend, this dog, I'm so sorry, Chelsea. I keep messing it up. That little section that was just built, that goes on the back side of said poodle. And boom, let's get it. So we'll go ahead and do the ears after we pick up the piece that I dropped. And it actually looks like a little ear. It's a proper little ear. I love it. So other side, same thing. No dropping any bricks this time. Ooh, flip it. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I spoke too soon. Dropping bricks. Chelsea's done. Look at those legs. We can move them. Cute little tail, little cotton puff of a tail. The curls, it reminds me of a poodle. Job well done, Lego. Thank you for that. We'll flip those legs back. Bark, bark, bark. Toodles, Chelsea. All right, well now we'll move on to the little puppy. A little poodle puppy. I don't have a name yet for this puppy, but drop a name in the comment down below what you think we should name our poodle puppy. So with this puppy, it definitely went a lot smoother in my opinion. And speaking from a noob's perspective, I am not a Lego master. I mess things up all the time. Don't follow directions. It is what it is. That's the fun. But I love this. It's an easier build. It was a lot quicker. And then we got the anime eyes again. I just love those eyes. Drop a like if you like anime, friend. And let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite show. Ooh, okay. This ear was not correct. Once again, I am not a Lego master. I'm very much a noob. I will own that fact until the day I feel like I'm not a noob. So hashtag not a Lego master. Thank you. So, yeah, little poodle puppy, all done. Got the cute little tail, little curls on the top. Bark, 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 bark. All right, and now we'll go ahead and build the, oh no, that doesn't go there. I always have the brick separator on standby because once again, I don't follow directions, friend. And I know I'm prone to mistakes, but it is what it is, that's fine. Just keep on trucking. So we'll go ahead and add all these colors. Another thing that kind of bothered me with this build, maybe it was just my hands touching it, maybe the kids got to it before I did, but those black bits, they were slightly discolored. I know my hands are not that oily or greasy, but they got discolored. I don't know what happened there. But, you know, nope, that's... So once we get that black bit in, ooh, nope, my friend. Okay, Lego, what happened? This will not sit flush at all. It was a struggle to get it to sit flush. Get those black pieces in there and just tippy tappy, tippy tappy, tippy tappy. I'm pretty sure it should not go tippy tappy, tippy tappy, friend. I don't know what happened. Lego, where you at? I know that part's not my fault. I'll accept that one. That one's not me. So now to the lamppost, which, friend, this is another spot where I question this because that gray one, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be black. So I have to do a discount double check with all my leftover pieces. And friend, there's no other black piece in there. So Lego, is it Lego or is it me? They're supposed to be black. But you know what? Because I am who I am, I'm pretty sure it is my fault. So let's look through those instructions, boom. And the gray bit is supposed to go underneath the poodle's nose. That's where my black piece is. Friend, Lego, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I messed it up. Don't come for me, please. So, you know what? I did not feel like taking all those little pieces off and possibly dropping and destroying Chelsea, because Butterfingers, I probably would have. So we're just going to continue to build our lamp with our now gray piece instead of black piece. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, friend. It's okay. It is what it is. It is what we make of it. And my friend, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you tuning in. And please make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss any notifications, and make sure you hit the like button and turn on post notifications. My friend, I hope that you are happy and well, and I wish for you, may you always have chapstick in your pocket. And yes, I would buy this poodle again. Thanks for watching.